So now we are on the 27th floor. Oh my goodness, look at that. And there's a strong dog smell everywhere. Now, I love doggies, but it really stinks in here. And they've got all sorts of dog amenities here as well. So I'm still not sure about this place. I mean, I'm getting used to the height. I mean, look at how tiny the cars are. Oh my goodness. But you can hear the constructions in this one, but not as badly as in the other one. We still have the Hudson views. Now this is the bedroom. Again, the space. And then again, it's so impersonal. I think it would take a long time to make this like a home. I don't know whether I'm 100% loving this place, this building, but this would be a better unit than the one downstairs. Right, let's give it a light. So I think this will be okay. So it's got a little bit of a pantry going on, and okay. So also, this is better in a way that it doesn't. You don't walk straight away to the kitchen. So I guess here would be a little bit of a yeah. So this is better. This one on 27th floor is better. And this will be for your washer dryer, which is in America is a luxury to have it. Normally you have to go to the cellar or shared spaces. So, I don't know what this does. Okay, okay, so that's very harsh. It's not nice at all. And we've got bathroom. Nope, that's not bathroom light. Okay. I mean, nice and modern. We would be able to add hooks in here. So this is definitely better than the one on the downstairs floor. And right, okay. Well, it's not new, but. What? One good thing about self-guided tour is that I didn't have to dress up. I just came like this. There's a lot of walking to do. Yes, the question is it worth $1,000 more than what he pays now? Is that worth it? Also, practicalities, like how is he going to bring shopping up? Or even, where would I go shopping? It's like... it's like a little bit overwhelming, in all honesty, but it seems to be in a good situation, like quite well kept. And the river, of course, the river views are, oh my goodness, 1, 2, 3. River views are wonderful. Okay, but I don't think this is a massive bedroom, guys. Not at all. And it's just, I don't know. Okay, well, on to 44th floor. Oh my goodness, these stairs. So we're doing a 44th floor now, which is the number 4408. Goodness me. You can feel the height now. 4408. You can definitely feel the height now. I am feeling very dizzy, almost like in a plane. So all of these units. Okay, so we're doing 44. What number are we doing? 4408. Okay, so that's 08. So that's 05, 01. Oh yes, that way. Right, so what's the code for this one? 06 247 631. Again, so guys, all of these units that are available are at the end of the corridors. Do people not want to live here? So it's, oh, okay, it's open. Oh, hello. You guys are looking as well?
We're leaving.
Yeah, all right.
Thanks. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Right, so we just exchanged with these guys. So this is 44th floor. So let's see, when you come in, you get your storage space there, which is good. Oh my God, guys, I'm not joking. I am so dizzy. So pretty much the same bathroom. And stinks in here though. And we've got our washing machines and dryers. And we have, what is this? Oh yeah, more storage. Good, good, good. So a bit more storage here as well. Never enough storage. Okay. What is this? So old and ugly looking. Oh gosh. But yeah, again, nice kitchen. Let's see the cabinets. Yeah, built-in microwave smelly window. Oh, what were you people microwaving? But yeah, loads of space. And oh my goodness, guys, this view is everything. Oh my goodness. So we are just above the construction again. So obviously people are leaving these units because all 3 units we saw, well, apart from one, we have, oh my God, the view. Statue of Liberty. That's amazing. That is amazing. We are so high though. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, this crane. Oh. Right, I'm just not sure about the noise. Oh my God, the way I feel so dizzy here. That's another helicopter. That was a helicopter crash yesterday. But yeah, very, very high. I'm so wobbly on my legs. But we've got much more storage space in this one, although quite random. But then if we close this, then it really is a tiny bedroom. Really small. And I think I would struggle in this place with the feeling that you get. So you, obviously the only place to put the bed would be here and here TV or something. So I don't know. And again, this kind of door. So I think the second one was probably the best out of all of these, but this has got the best view, like literally the best view. So beautiful. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I'm so wobbly on my legs. And what's this here? This door. Is there more space? Yep, more space, which is always welcome. So this has got a lot of storage space, which is wonderful, this unit. So it probably, well, I would have to AI it, what I would put where. So this is quite cute space for plants. But it's really, it's really, really high. This is high. Guys, so what do I think about 70 Green Street? Well, the view, as you can see behind me, is absolutely breathtaking. I'd probably just be staring at the view the whole time. It's just that Statue of Liberty. Oh my God, it's just such a meaning, isn't it, for many foreigners? So the pros of this building are that it's very close to my son's work. Um, I'm so like shaky in this altitude, and obviously it is a nice and modern apartment, and it's got in unit washing facilities, washer dryer, and it's a little bit more modern than what he has now. So that's the truth. And the disadvantage is that it's very impersonal. I mean, yes, we can make it home definitely, but it's very impersonal. Now it smells. I mean, it's a very, very dog-friendly building, but you can tell by the smell, and also it has like different dog facilities. So I think it's perfect for dog owners, and we are not. We don't have a dog, so and the smell in the communal areas of doggies is very, very bad. And I love dogs, but the smell is overwhelming. From the three that I saw today, I like number 2, and I liked this one, but this one is very, very tall. Number 2, I maybe liked better because it didn't have this construction views. And obviously, it does seem like it's going to go on for a while. So it's a good start. I think it's a very good start. And there's like hundreds of apartment buildings here. So we're just starting. It's a good starting point, definitely. Excuse me. And I mean, the views. Look at that Statue of Liberty again, guys. It's just amazing. So, yeah, very good start. It's not a brand new building, but it's okay. It's like I hate the lighting. It's so impersonal, and literally all the residents are living in the copycat property. So we're going on to the next now. I am late because I didn't realize it will take this long to organize everything, but I'll know for next time. And we're going to Washington Avenue. So yes, let's go. Okay, so we are at the Pier Apartments, and I think in terms of space, I mean, it's tiny kitchen. But in terms, somehow, you know what, I couldn't open this fridge. Oh, okay, so finally I opened it. But I think I pulled the whole thing out. I think more of us have been pulling at it. But yeah, so look at this space. The space is wonderful. This is what I have in Watford. Square footage is absolutely wonderful. It's got balcony. View is absolutely wonderful. You can see my son's work over there where that white lady is. Ooh. And look at the view. But do you know what I'm thinking? Oh my goodness, my voice. I am thinking, is this practical for a young boy? And I somehow don't think so. You know, like what would he do here? He needs to be around restaurants, places. Even there wasn't a normal road coming here. We had to go like on this weird wooded road. But it would be perfect for someone like me. I don't think for my son, but this is wonderful. Look at this. Oh, I would just retire here straight away. But I don't know about my son, honestly. And it's so warm in here as well. Just can't get over these views. But then yesterday there was a helicopter crash, so it's quite sad as well. Yeah. And then we have, so it's sort of like ensuite, because you can obviously go to the toilet from your bedroom. So that's quite good. And then it's got a lot of storage space. This is wonderful. I love this, honestly. Oh no, the same bathtub, tiny. Look at that. Look at that. What is that for? You can't take a quality bath in there. You can only take a shower. Let's see the pressure. Let's see the pressure. Oh, never mind. If my son likes it, then we'll come here together. And this is a walk-in closet, which is massive. I really like the space in here. Literally wonderful, wonderful space. Honestly, I love this space here. And someone was thinking, you know, it's a great space and everything is great. Like it's a massive space even here. What is this? Oh, this is washing machine. Okay. So we've got this like this in Slovakia as well. We have actually washing machine usually in the bathroom, not in the UK. In the UK, we have it in the kitchen. But yeah, I think in terms of square footage, it's wonderful. In terms of what would the young boy do here, yeah. But lots of good space, lots and lots. And I think they need to do the lights. What I do struggle with is this, just this weird, sort of like a moldy almost. Yeah, I don't know, but it's a good space, really good space, easy to clean. You have that view, so we can see Hoboken there and my son's work. Yeah, I think in terms of like spaciousness and everything that he may need, this is perfect. Even for when I come to see him, there's plenty of space. And what's also great about this is because we only have one bedroom, and this time when I come, he gives me his bedroom, and obviously he struggles with getting his clothes. So here he could just go this way. He doesn't even need to go through the bedroom, and he can go through the bathroom, get his stuff, which is amazing. So I like the setup in this one. So I'm now going to try and walk to ShopRite and see how far this would be. But again, yesterday this apartment was within our price range. Today they hacked it up. So I would definitely want to bring it down again. But yeah, look at that, gorgeous. And I love that it's got balcony. I do like this. Very nice. And hopefully easy to clean as well. This is the pier. Very strong contender. Very, very strong contender. But of course, I need to speak to my son. Yeah, so here is the lift. And you go down, 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 and it's there. Right, okay. Nice and spacious. Okay, all these smells. Now, where do we go? Oh, okay, so it knows where to go. Clearly.